Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which has managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark. We have also managed to get above the 20-day MA, which was acting as resistance here on the 1-hour chart, and we have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the 1-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in this 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 making its high at around the $0.02182 mark, and also completed a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we expected a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, and we retraced in the formation of that wave 2, having this ABC corrective structure, fully maximizing the formation of that second wave. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, and I believe this is what is playing out here on the Vechain chart. And by first sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which lies at around the $0.0299 mark. That is close to $0.03 mark here on the Vechain chart, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do in case we continue obeying the Elliot wave structures and continue pushing even higher. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, you also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation within that larger Elliot wave count 3, and I believe we are seeing such a move here on the Vechain chart, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, where I believe we have seen the high for that first wave, then we have retraced in the formation of this wave 2, and I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of the formation of this wave 3. And by first showing you that this second wave has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do, by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And it is within this red target area that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave. And you can see we managed to get back into this target area, retraced back to the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. And after seeing the low for that second wave, then I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which has given us a break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark. We have also managed to get above the 20-day MA, meaning we have the support for us to continue pushing even higher. And the moment we also managed to break above the wave 1 high of this fractal wave, which is right here, and I can mark it using a dotted line. So we can have a dotted line here on the charts to mark that wave 1 high. So we can mark it like that. The moment we manage to break above that wave 1 high, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing over here is the start of a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.03118 mark. And in case that happens, then I'll be terming this larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside as an extended wave 3, and have my target area above the fib level 1.618. So that is just a minimum, but I'll have to extend it even higher so that we can have it as an extended wave 3 to the upside. So this is my minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which is a fractal wave within that larger Elliot wave count 3, and that is what I'm expecting Vechain to do on the short-term scenarios before we can expect a wave 4, then push even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Continue watching that key area, that is that high, the wave 1 high at around the $0.02517 mark. mark, and a break above that high will be enough confirmation that we have managed to get back into the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. And before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, allow me to first take a look at the indicators, where you can see that on the RSI we are trading at around the 70 mark, meaning we are almost getting into the overbought region, and that means higher prices to the upper side will still be supported, but we don't have room for us to continue pushing even higher before we get into the overbought region. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out using the Elliott wave structures, you can see that Vechain, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.28 mark in what I'm terming as a larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which took us back to around the $0.015 mark in what I'm terming as a larger Elliott wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. And using the Fibonacci's, that is the trend based Fibonacci, I have a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $0.46277 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.